All right, jumping over to Harlow real quick. Scott said that he fired her up the other day and she just started pissing coolant, but then stopped when he turned her off. So I'm going to start her up and I'm going to see what we got going. Little Miss Harlow, you be good girl. Fires up, good baby. Where are we going pee-pee, little girl? We have no tinkle at the moment. We'll let her run. Alright, now I get to find Harlow's vacuum leak. Found it! I have no idea why there's a T in the PCB. No clue whatever. Well, I bet that solves that problem. I'll fire up Harlow and see if she behaves now. Oh, and Scott. No pee-pee. Harlow is back to being a well-mannered baby again. Alright, freaking easy on Harlow. Yay. And now we idle properly.